CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that has done 45,000 videos like these. It's taken me 5 years, but I have proof of everything on my YouTube channel, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Circle Internet Group came down a bit lower. I mentioned it, like I kind of covered this more in my previous video, but it's kind of the same thing here today. Even like it's in a big demand zone, that's all Gucci, but people just assume that just because it's in a demand and it's correcting down because it's a discounted price, everything should be bought. So far from the truth, man. Like for me to really be bullish, I must see at least start breaking about 145 or 145 bucks 16 cents. And if that does not quite happen, there's just simply no way that I would look to do really anything. I mean, 54 receipts in the Discord as well. There's really like not lack of coverage here. I mean, man, I'm telling you this, like it's a great range technically, but it's even going to be even better setup and buy for me if there's a confirmation. So that's kind of the thing that I'm waiting for. Now, if you want to get stock picks, tips, and insights for free, click the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next one.